Today na number 3 day for January 2020. Where they make this message for Tapan Ivo Tanku and all the Amazonian terror activists them and all the Amazonian fighters them, where they feel say they get the guts to intimidate, threaten my life and the life of Nambere. I got few things for tell you that. Number one, no man get the monopoly of violence and intelligence. Take note of that. What you feel say if you do for another person, maybe if you do more than what you think for you to. Beware of that. Number two, in fact, people the way they feel carry out heavy action, they need to talk themselves. And people the way they talk and they don't carry them out. As when I feel notice, I take all the Amazonians and by surprise. And that's why they rant and they agitate for social media. And I get good news for now, more surprise day on the way. More heavy surprises day on the way to come. I will surprise you now more than this. Now, number three. If Cameroon government will get all the technology and the connections, that will be for track me down for 3 years. For execute what they want to execute on me or against me for these 3 years. They will not for know by now, so that be too small for do that because I don't even get any technology. I will not even get any connection. The highest one I think do for anybody, like for blackmail the person, sabotage the person, or paint the person black. That's all. You can't do both on that. Una fight the end of the internet. Una not get real action for show. Physical, visible action for show. Una not get. Now, I warn you, Tapan Ivo Tanku, and all other people where they claim say they need my head arm or the head of Nambere. I don't feel talk about me because una not even get them. Because if una feel so una feel get them, okay, we will take appointment for a neutral ground, not ground one, not ground zero, a neutral ground where we will meet face to face, man to man. The man sit you una fit do. And I will see them say una not even face me. Some idiots they will give me an appointment the other day. And I respect the appointment, but they not come. In fact, they off their phone from that day till today. Another one, I may give them an appointment where they claim say if they see me, they'll kill me. I said, okay, let me meet you at so and so. And I went there, they never came. They switched their phone. Una be just cowards them. Una like to talk. Internet way be free. It don't make una feel say una feel talk. How can a butterfly be threatening a fighter jet? Una be crazy una drink petrol. Even when a boss, I have a told Lucas, nothing face me. Face to face, man to man. I don't mean internet. You nothing face me. Not to talk of you rat. Very grace. Man, give an appointment. Give me the place where I want to do an appointment. We'll meet face to face, man to man. Man to man, we'll see who will run who. Nonsense. I warn you, Tapan, and your clique owner. I don't hear your video where you talk, say, few days you will kill Nambere. You not fit. But if anything happens for Nambere or anybody close to Nambere, Tapan Ivo, you will know who success Ugomo is. I repeat, if anything happens to Nambere or anything will concern Nambere, Tapan, I will teach you a lesson where in the next 10 generations, that lesson will be forgotten. Take this from me. Listen, anybody where you know me, I don't mean this to these thieves, accusing them on the way they use this regulation to get asylum paper. I mean, that's where you know me well. For 10 years, 5 years, will tell you, say, whatever I say, I do. And there is nothing I cannot do. I repeat, and there is nothing impossible to me. For my vocabulary, the impossibility really exists. Now, when I get obstacle for my vocabulary, me, anything I want, I get it. Idiots. Don't feel say because you're in America. Tapa, you don't know who you are dealing with. You don't know who you are dealing with. If anything happened to Nambere, Tapa, I will tell you, I will teach you lesson. You know, so there are sense. come to America to deal with you. Me. I don't need to do that. Tapa, be careful. Be very, very careful. If I vex in 48 hours, I will show you a sign. Say, when big boy they talk, small people they should not quiet. All I control for fool people. I don't live for them, I fool them. I try to tell the people that they need to be rescued, when they come to be helped. And once they're on their way, you can't try it. You are too small. When they use the suffering for people, for poor people, illiterate them, for make money, for make name, for get name, man, it is shame. That is what they call black money. You live by war. Papa, you and your clique. In fact, I don't want you guys to push me to the wall. Because if you do, oh my God. If you do, Tapa, I will teach when I say, all when I so, when I'm a small boy. And I'm not saying I'm not going to start, they accuse me. So I don't do this, I don't do that, I don't do this. But be careful. Be careful. Papa, I need to talk with you enough to do. I need to talk with enough to do. Ask my friend when they know me for past 10 years. Anything I talk, I do. Be very, very careful. I repeat, say, if anything happens for number, you know, not enough happen for me. Even by dream, for my dream, if I see me for a dream, I go wrong. But I talk on number. If anything happens to me, Papa, I swear, I will show you Pepe. I will make you understand, say, there's a difference between New York and Umoja. I will teach you a lesson. Don't try me. When I concentrate for that on a thief, when I try for race call, I don't deal with you now. By opening the eyes of our captives, the people that want to use them for make money, and they open their eyes, give them a better life. And I want you to pain on be that. And if you say by threatening my life, or that of number, the solution of that. You see, if you get a good idea, sell your idea to the people. And if I have a good idea, I sell my own to the people. They will see which idea they will buy. Stop threatening people. It's a sign of defeat. It shows that I have defeated you. Just accept the defeat. If man pass you, carry it back. Wait till wait there for my head. If they put them for 10,000 of them now, they will get headache. They will hospitalize you for hospital. Eh? God bring gift for now. When I mess up the gift, and another person take advantage of the gift when they complain. You say you don't want this woman again, another person wants a woman. Now you want to treat the woman in life. What if be your own? If we are being humble enough, we will apologize for all the atrocities when I don't commit again. When I feel say for blackmail me, it means something for me. So till now, when I want to say blackmail and sabotage don't mean nothing. Till now, when I want to make Jesus come from heaven, tell one of these, people they grace and they don't know they even grace. I beg.